Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno5 Lite, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go to the Gmail application, and right now here on the right upper corner tap on this icon and you'll see that, for example, we're logged in right now into 2 accounts. Now just to remove one from this account, tap here to manage account on this device and tap here on the Google section. For example, we'll wanna remove the second account, just tap here and on the right upper corner tap on the 2 dots and tap here to remove account and just confirm by tap again here to remove account. So as can you see right now, we got only one login account here in our Gmail, and yeah, here we can check that. So that's how it works. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.